What's going on, future entrepreneurs? I am back with another ClickBank video, guys. We're about to get right back into the ClickBank series. I made a video, I think it was on yesterday. Today I have another video I'm going to make. Actually, I even forgot to send out all of my emails. I was supposed to send them when I stopped the video, and I didn't. So I think I missed like 3 of my accounts that I did not send emails to. So before we get into today's video, guys, go ahead and give me the HBO special. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button to give me more content. Hit the notification bell. Go ahead and share this video with somebody you think may want to be involved in a low risk program that's going to be, it's going to be a little bit to start up front, but in the long term, in the long run, it's going to be a profit if you hang in there. A lot of these businesses, the guys that we start, they're not going to be a make money quick or get rich quick scheme. You're going to have to stay in them for a little while. You're going to have to learn a little bit. You're going to have to take a little bit of a hit in a minute. It's going to be a learning process. And this particular strategy that I'm about to show you guys is something that works long term, and I'm about to show you just a second what I'm talking about. But before we get into today's video, we all know we have a disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. Please seek financial help. If you need financial advice, please seek a financial advisor that is more than likely a CPA or someone in that field. With the disclaimer on the screen, you can pause it, you can stop it, you can rewind it, you can download it, take a screenshot, come back, read it from the top to the bottom. Make sure you understand what is being said in the disclaimer, because I will not be held liable for if you decide to get involved in this program. And it's because it's pretty much at your own risk. I'm showing you guys what I am doing on a daily basis to earn some extra money. This is one of the passive income streams that I'm using that's not profitable right now, might I add, but it's working on getting profitable just by using this strategy. How do I know? Because I'm seeing the results already, and I've only been using it for a month, a little bit over a month. And I did have a little bit of a head start, but still, I'm sure the system is working. The system is getting results week after week. Only week I didn't get results was when the week I didn't send emails consistently every single day. But let's go and get into today's video. The reason we're making it is we're going to be talking about ClickBank and my lead gen secret. Let's go ahead and open up the ClickBank account. Or did I hit the wrong button there? Yep. Let's see. We're going to open up ClickBank first. The strategy that I use, for those of you who are new here, I use ClickBank, which is a 100% free website. It depends on what country you're in. This site, in some places, you will be able to. You have to use a VPN or another way. And if you do have a VPN, make sure you use the Chrome browser. And there's a VPN that you can use for free, and it's called Setup VPN. You can use it absolutely free. I'm pretty sure it has a limit on the amount of data you can use, but if you can use that just to start, to get the account set up, and maybe you can add another one or maybe 2 to use just to sign up to see if the strategy will work for you. But you only have to log in maybe a couple times, and then after that you should probably log in once a day to check it off. You know, the only time you can really log into is maybe once a week, just to log into this particular site. If you live in one of those countries where you cannot get approved for an account, which is kind of like a few countries, but not all. But for the majority of it, it's going to be free, no cost, and easy to sign up. Let's log in here. And also outside of ClickBank, we're also going to be using my lead gen secret. Is where I get my traffic from, which is pretty much, I almost said free, but it's going to be paid traffic, because the first month of this traffic source you get I pay $60 per month. Every month after that is $30 per month, and we're almost in month number 2, and I've already been billed for most of that already. But in this particular traffic, it's going to give us emails every single day. You don't have to create an autoresponder. You don't have to create 50 days of emails to set up an autoresponder. It's pretty much the easiest way to get email listening to make money that I know of. That's pretty much copy and paste. There's nothing like it. And all I have to do is log into my account. You don't have to set a lot of things up. All you do is you log in, and as you can see, it's showing right now I get 200 leads a day, 200 every single day. You get the bonus leads at midnight every single night. So once you set up your first account, you're not going to have 200 until someone signs up. And then once they sign up, I forget if it's automatic. If it's not automatic, you get those 100 leads at midnight, and you're going to have 200 leads every single day. And I don't know if there is a limit, but I do know people have 10 accounts. I have 5. And what you do when you have 5 accounts is you would use your first account, which would be this one, and you would just create a second account using your own link, and just make sure you can use the same name and the same information, but you just need to make sure you use different email addresses and a different username, so they'll be able to identify which account you have. Still, they don't have an issue with you having multiple accounts. You can have 5, you can have 10, you can have 2, you can have 3. I would recommend, and this is just me recommending it, it's going to depend on your financial situation and what you can handle and what you decide to do with the strategy that I'm giving to you. I would say probably start with 2 if that's all you can afford. If you can only start with 1, then you can start with 1 if that's what you would like to do. Now what you would do is just sign up under each account, and then each day you're going to get 200 leads per day with each one of those accounts. In the last account, you only get 100 leads per day. And what I do is I take these leads, I go to the mailing system tab. You're not going to use most of these. You don't really need the email master swipes because the strategy that I'm showing you, the email swipes are already created. You don't need that. Just going to come to the mailing system tab. And when I select the emails, it's going to show you how many leads you have. And another thing is once you get to 9,000 leads, you're going to have to email support and ask them to unlock the rest of the email so they can go into the system and unlock that for you so you can email more than 9,000 leads. That's once you get to that point. Now when I select all of my leads, it's going to show I have, in this particular account, I have 11,900 leads. I should have more than that unless I'm not logged into the wrong account. I think I did. But I'll still show this one. I'll just show this one. Other account has about like 30,000 leads. This one is still a lot of emails to send. And what you would do is you select all of these emails so you can send the email to all of those leads. You would come down here and you would get the subject and the body is going to be in the ClickBank. So we come over here, and as you can see, guys, I made another sale for the week. Here's another $11 adding to the next upcoming paycheck. And all I need now is to be more consistent instead of once a week, to be more than once a week. And once again, let me show you the proof that I have this system has been working for me. Just to show you guys that this system has been getting leads, and I've been doing it for over a month. Let's see. Is it loading? For some reason it's not. Go back up. Okay. And this pretty much is going to show you guys the strategy I'm using. The strategy is working. You're just going to get more and more leads every single day. Since I have 5 accounts, I'm going to be getting 500 leads a day because I have 5 accounts. No, I'm sorry, it's going to be more than 500 leads a day. I'm going to be getting 200 leads a day for the first 4 accounts, which is 800 leads plus the one, so I'm getting 900 leads every single day, which is 900 emails. I'm sure some of those emails may not be correct. You know, some people don't put in the correct email, but I'm getting 900 leads a day, and I'm only paying $30 a month for each one of these accounts. This account here has 11,000 leads in it that I can send and offer to whatever I want to send. It's just like everything else I'll show you guys. You can test it to see what works best, and once you find out what works best, once you find out the strategy that's going to work best, you're pretty much just going to repeat every single day. You're going to send an offer to these leads. It's going to pretty much turn. It's going to, if you keep doing it, as I'm going to keep showing you guys, you're going to eventually turn a profit. It's going to take, in my opinion, 90 days or maybe more before you turn a profit, because you're going to have to pay, you're going to have to wait. It's not going to be a get rich quick scheme. It's not going to happen overnight. You're going to have a little bit of patience with this particular strategy. But as you can see, here's another sale. This was on yesterday. This was 6/2. Today is 6/3. You can see right now there's no sale, so I did receive a sale on yesterday for $11.04. So that's going to be added to my payment. Now, since I don't earn a lot, it's going to pay me once a month. There was the amount that I got paid the last time, which was deposited into my checking account, because I set all that information up. And that's something you probably, if you want to use this system and strategy, or even if you just want to create a ClickBank account, you can find videos online on YouTube that will show you how to do that and how to set up all that other information. I don't want to make this video any longer than it already is. Now what I'm going to do is, you can see I have 2 accounts, 2 usernames. One is a master account and one is not. I'm just going to click on this one. It's going to take me to the ClickBank master places, where we're going to find the offers that we're going to send the emails to from the My Legions website. And we're going to come over here to marketplace. This is where the offers are. To check your stats, you go to reporting, and that'll show you the clicks, how many people actually went to the sales page, and all the stuff of that information. If that's something you're interested in, I'll make sure that in the next video that I make. We're going to go over here to the e-business and e-marketing. As you can see, before I click that, there was quite a few categories. So ClickBank does have a lot of offers, and if you were to figure out which were the top offers out of everything on here, it's pretty much weight loss. That's pretty much the top offers on ClickBank. And the way you do that, just so you know, is before clicking on any of the categories, you just come here and click the search button, this little hourglass looking thing right here, and that'll get all of the offers on the ClickBank website in order from the most sales to the least sales. And it's, from what I've seen, every time I've done it, it's been weight loss offers. So in this particular category, this is the offer that I just got a sale in. Even though it says The average conversion is $37. As you saw, it was only $11, and I also made $11 in my first couple sales in the first couple weeks. So I know that was from this particular offer. And why would I say you don't need to write any emails? The emails are already written for you. All you have to do is come down here to the affiliate tab, and all the emails you're going to need, all the emails you're going to need for this particular offer, they're going to give to you 100% for free. All we're doing is copying and pasting. And once we finish with this offer, when those emails are done, what we do is we can go all the way down this page and just send emails to. Now, what I've seen is you're more than likely not going to get a sale from all of them. For once you go up and down this, maybe twice up and down this page with all the emails, you'll know which ones will work with your emails and which ones don't. And I would just say avoid the ones that don't work and just send emails to the ones that do work. Now, you may be asking the question, why would I want to start all the way over again after I start from the top and work my way all the way down? Now, the very first time I did this, each one of these offers had a minimum of at least 7 emails per offer. So that's 7 times at least 5 or 6. So that's about enough at least for a month worth of emails. So after a month, like I said, on my account, I'm getting 900 emails every single day. 900 times 30, that's 27,000 people who have not seen the very first offer that you sent. Every time you go down, every day I'm getting 900 emails. So there's 900 more people that have not seen these offers that I'm sending to them. So even if I start here, they've seen this offer, but they have not seen the first offers. So once I come back around for a second or third time, it's more people on my list. There's more emails added to my list that have not seen these offers. And some of the people who have seen it just haven't looked at it yet, was probably stuck in their inbox. And that's the reason why you want to do that, to go up and down. Or you can go to another site like JVZoo or even the Warrior Farm, excuse me, or even the Digistore 24, where you can use those offers as well, just to test it out, to see what system works best, to see what strategy works best, to see what's going to work best for you and your email list, because it may be a different category, or even a different website, or a different offer site that may work best for you. You may even use these CPA offer sites. If you haven't heard of those, look up those as well, where you pretty much get paid for someone pretty much just putting in their email address and their telephone number, which I already have, but it wouldn't be right for me to just try to load them in there, which would be illegal anyway. So that's something else you can look at as well, and that's something I may test out here in the future. So since I already selected my emails, what I would do is come back over here. Where's the site? Looks like it didn't load. We come down here where they have you all of these different traffic sources already sourced out with the with which you would need to put the information on that site. You have hot link generator, you got landing pages if you're using ClickFunnels or another landing page, builder and videos for your web page. You have, or if you want to do it on Facebook ads, you can put a video, short ads for YouTube ads, or even TikTok. You can use any of this. This pretty much just helps you and it helps them as well, where they don't have to create everything. So what you would do is come to the first email, and so this one has about 20. You can use half, you can use all of them. It just depends on how you want to do it. And what we would do is just copy this, Control C, and then we come back to the mailing system and we just paste that into the subject line. Confirms your name, but on this particular headline, our subject, we're just going to delete out that, because as you can see down here, the name on here is different with the brackets and the words that's inside that. So we're just going to copy that from here and paste that right there, and that's going to take care of that. And also you're going to replace it in the body of the email if it's the same type of bracket and name in there. So Control A would copy all of this, you delete that, come back over to the page, and all you would do is that hi name, you would change it just the way we did a minute ago. You would copy all of that. Too far. Now you don't need the hop link, so we would just copy that, come back to the site, and this does not take very long. All we're doing is copying and we're pasting, and we're going to come back and make a couple edits. We're going to change this to the one above, but if you send it like that, it's not going to look the same, because of the email system they use is not the same as wherever that one works at. This is how this one works in this email system. And again, this is you get your emails free here, and you also use an email system to send your emails, kind of like an autoresponder, except you use it once the $60 per month and the $30 a month after that is pretty much what you can use this system for. And we're just going to come down and make sure everything is correct. You can also, if you want, you can just make a little bit more space. No, not right there. We come back, and just to make it a little bit better, you can do this, or you can leave it exactly like it is. And what you would do, this one is something that's kind of highlighted from the from what they put in. So you'll see this is what you're going to have to copy to get your affiliate link. You're coming back to ClickBank, click on promote. My name is already here. If it's not, with the username. If not, you just add it in, type it in, create a hop link. And you're going to copy that. And we're going to go back to the mailing system. All we're going to do is highlight this, click this, and then we're going to put that link there, press OK, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see down here, there is a timer that's showing you, because we can only send one email per every 23 hours, which I think is pretty good, because it's not going to allow people to come in and spam the system. If I wanted to, I could come in and send 100 emails a day, and then whatever server they're using to send these emails, it would be banned, and your emails would not reach the people's email address that you're trying to get in contact with, which would mean you would not be able to use this service. You would have to find another service, which you would probably have to pay for. And this system is free, and I do like that they have that in there, so it won't be abused from anyone using the system. So you can only send at least one email per day. But if it was not here, I would click on the perfect timing, which pretty much allows the email system to figure out what is the best time to put this email in the person's email box to give you the best opportunity to get this sale. And that's pretty much it. All you would do is open up another one, open up another page, which I normally do by right clicking on this, and I would open up another tab. Once this tab is open, and once it loads, all you would do is we're coming back here, and we're going to copy this. It's like it's still loading. All you would do is come back once that page loads. It's going to be blank, and we're just going to copy and paste that in there, and do the exact same thing on that particular. That's all we would do for this particular strategy. And as I said, it's going to take a little bit of time. It's going to take a little bit longer time for you to start getting sales, because I did have somewhat of an advantage when I started my account. It was nothing special. It was just that I had an older account that I started a while back, and it gave me all those emails back. So I am getting success. You can see that the system is working. It is giving results. So you're just going to have to be a little bit more patient with this particular system. It's not a put in $1,000 and earn 10% per day. It's a long-term strategy that I'm willing to use to get to at least $3,000 to $4,000 per month, which I think is this system is going to take us to. It's just going to take us a while to get there. To join me on this journey, keep watching the videos to see where this system takes me. It's the Passive Income Trucker, just showing you guys yet another way you can earn some passive income. This doesn't take a lot of time to do. Once you get it down, once you get it set up, all you're doing is coming in, you're copying, and you're pasting every single day after the 23-hour timer is done. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you stay all the way to the end, I really truly appreciate you. Subscribe to the channel. If you stay this long, you must like the content that's here. Go ahead and subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, because I know you don't want to miss my next video, at least on the ClickBank series. It's the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.